The world is transforming. A sustainable future for all depends on the knowledge and attitude of a few. Technology and innovation make the difference. CIDAUT is a technology centre that builds knowledge and applies research, development and innovation for the competitive improvement of companies and the benefit of society as a whole. We harness capabilities, experts and techno-scientific infrastructure to manage the entire product or process value chain. We develop and transfer technology with a significant competitive edge to the market. We offer comprehensive technological solutions for the industry in general. All stages of a new product or process, from conception to release. We build the necessary know-how and manage its transfer to clients. Our value lies in the innovation that puts the companies we work with in the spotlight. We've been in the industry for over 30 years. We have grown together with many of our clients, and today we are a benchmark RD&I entity. Our international profile is reflected in our more than 400 clients in 33 countries. We innovate for a more sustainable future. This has seen us evolve towards the four main areas comprising our strategic focus: Industry 4.0, circular economy, intelligent, sustainable, autonomous and safe mobility, and energy and the environment. We focus on developing new cutting-edge materials, processes and technologies using advanced manufacturing. We research cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, virtual twins, machine learning, as well as the latest scientific and technological advances. We work to promote the circular economy as a sustainable growth factor that generates jobs. We are leading experts in researching new materials that facilitate recycling, as well as improving and harmonising the selective collection of plastics. Our leadership in the car and transport sector has allowed us to address significant issues of mobility and safe, intelligent, autonomous and sustainable transport for thousands of companies. In Spain, we are pioneers in hydrogen technologies and the efficient use of energy, and we tackle international energy production projects using renewable resources, as well as product and process evolution for electrical and thermal use. Energy, transport, intelligence and sustainability are the four keys to the future, and at CIDAUT we help you face it through innovation, technology, people. CIDAUT, our strength makes the difference to you.